มีมุ้งจะพีขมาไหม Right, it is approximately 29 minutes past 56 at night. Very late, very fucking late. I have absolutely nothing planned. I've come back from college, bored, so I thought I'd make a YouTube video. Well, say YouTube video, I thought I'd make a video that I could stick on the interwebs. Yeah. First dilemma, I had to find a tripod. So I found one, right? I had this one years and years and years ago. Oh shit. I had this about millions of years ago, right? Because I used to make videos of like Shaun the Sheep and that sort of shit. Like the little animated clay things, right? When you get the leg and you move it about 1/1,000,000th of a millimeter and take a picture. I used to be there for hours making these videos and then I never really did anything with it because they were so shit. And the next dilemma, I don't know where the bloody clip that goes in there, you see, in there, to slot onto the camera. Fucking mum must have thrown them in the washing machine or something. That was out of the window really, because it was game over for that. So then it was on the third bloody dilemma, right, third, number bloody 3. I had to find a tripod. So, went from this thing, and that didn't work, because obviously I couldn't fit anything on it, right? I had to get a tripod, so I thought, alright, I could just balance it on top of there, but that didn't work. So, I came up with the brilliant idea of my protein just popping it on the top like that. There. But then it was too low on my table, right? So now, it is a tripod. I have made a tripod. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Legs. 3 legs. Tripod. Okay? So, I completed all my dilemmas, and I started making a shit video telling you, fuck off, telling you, right, about my problems. Because I'm a moaning little fucking shit bag. You get me? But yeah, homemade tree pood. Oh, me homemade tree pood. My mummy used to text me. Say, mummy, I have got a meeting at 2:30 today. So if you're in before me, could you pop low out? Pop bloody low. Pop low. Fuck, I don't know my toe. Ah, you little shizzer. Pop me low out. That's our dog, by the way. Lola. But yeah, so I got my tripod, I've got it all set up, and I'm just going to chat shit, because I've got nothing to talk about. Like, these glasses, they are see-through. I say see-through, I mean you can bloody put your finger through it or your dick, whatever, flip your But yeah, there you are. But it just made me look more intelligent, because I'm cool as fuck. Alright? So anyway, apparently I've got to go take my dog out, so let's go. Every fucking time, man.
No, what's this? What's this? No?
See the other dog. Oh dear. Other dog's there. There you are! My Zoom can run as fast as my dog. Come here. Come on. Come oi, oi, here. Here. On your towel. Oh, I just got back from walking my dog. Right, that's probably the wrap it up for today. Yeah, I haven't really got much more to talk about. I just got back from walking my puppy. She is now in the back room. Oh. Just got back from walking her. We got soaked. Well, she did. I didn't. My legs got bloody drenched. Absolute raucous. Yeah, I got soaked. But there we are. I zoomed my camera in because I looked at it and I thought it looked a bit better if it zoomed in on me a bit more, I guess. I don't really know. So I decided to zoom it in and my hair looks really short.